Now the only thing that remains is to add the holes. We need to add two holes, one here and one right here. Go to Assembly Features, drop-down menu, select Hole Wizard. From the hole type, select the hole, select Asymmetric, select 6 mm, $20, all components, positions, 3D sketch. One here, another one here. Escape. Centerline. From this origin, this point here, escape. Select this centerline. From this point to this point here, escape. Right click on this centerline, select midpoint. Hold Control key, select this line here and make them along the Y. Smart Dimension. $16. Escape. Right click on this line, select midpoint, hold Control key, select this point, and make them along Z. Perfecto. Okay, one more time. And here we are. Now, the next tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to add holes right here on this surface to hold the fixed jaw in place. Thanks for watching. See you next time.